All right, so the other thing that we'll be using is going to be iReady. So if we don't have anything to do in the Eureka module, or if I don't create anything for you guys to do on your own, you will also have to you'll also have to complete 45 minutes of iReady weekly. Now, this week coming up, we will be doing a diagnostic, okay? So Thursday and Friday, tomorrow and Friday, you guys will start your diagnostic. We will be doing them in smaller groups and I will be proctoring them. I will give you further instructions on that in a little bit, so don't worry about any of that. I will put you in groups and I will make sure that you know what groups you're in. So again, don't worry about any of that. But in order to get to iReady, in case you guys don't already know, you're going to get to your portal, okay? So your portal looks like this, your OneClay portal. And your iReady icon should look like this, okay? So right here is my iReady icon. And I'm going to go ahead and click on this guy. And my iReady is going to go ahead and pop up. Now, you're going to have iReady for reading and you're going to have iReady for math. There are two different subjects, which means that you're going to have 2 different minutes to complete. 45 minutes is just for me in math, okay? Whatever Miss Weaver has you complete for reading is a completely different story. So she's going to have you do whatever she needs you to do, okay? So in math, we have, now my iReady looks different from yours, okay, obviously. But this is going to be your math iReady, okay? And when you pull up your math iReady, you will be able to see a different screen and it should then begin to tell you, do you want to start math or do you want to start reading? Okay, and this is where you will go in and you'll do either your math or your reading iReady, and then you have 2 other choices: your teacher assigned lessons or your on path lessons. If you have on path lessons, that means that wherever you are in your own education, whether it be 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, whatever level, you're going to work on that just every day for a little bit, maybe 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, and at the end of the week you should have at least 45 minutes, no more than 60 minutes, okay? At least 45 minutes, no more than 60 minutes, okay? And then if it's teacher assigned lessons, they're gonna always be 6th grade material. So let's say you get a lesson that might seem really, really easy on your path, and then I assign a teacher lesson on something we're learning this week, which might be ratios. It's going to be a 6th grade math lesson, okay? So it might be a little bit hard for you guys, and if you ever struggle with a teacher assigned lesson, you can always Google Conference with me, and we can go through the lesson together. So do not be afraid to go through a teacher assigned lesson with me, okay? And also don't be afraid to go through a My Path lesson assigned with me. So remember, every week you must complete at least 45 minutes of iReady Math, no more than 60 minutes, and there's going to be 2 sections: teacher assigned lessons and My Path, all right? My Path will look different for everybody because everybody's on a different educational level, and teacher assigned lessons will be the same for every single person because it will be a 6th grade math lesson I will assign weekly, okay? Remember to do it maybe like 10 or 15 minutes every day. At the very end of the week, you should receive all 45 minutes. This will be a grade. You will get graded on this every week. It'll be 10% of your grade. It'll technically be your homework grade, okay? And if you ever need help on any of your iReady, we can Google Meets and have a conference and we can do it together. If you have any questions on your iReady, if you have any problems getting into your iReady icon, please let me know and we can work through it together.